Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a limit order on Robinhood. A limit order lets you set a maximum price you're willing to pay for a stock. This is super helpful to ensure you don't overspend, especially in volatile markets. Your order will only go through if the stock reaches your specified price or a better one. It gives you more control over your investments. To start, open your Robinhood app and search for the stock you're interested in buying. Once you've found it, tap on the Trade button, then select Buy. On the next screen, you'll see different order types. Make sure to choose Limit Order to proceed with setting your specific price. Now, you'll need to enter your desired limit price per share. This is the highest price you're willing to pay. Next, input the exact number of shares you want to purchase. Robinhood will then show you an estimated total cost. Take a moment to review these details carefully to ensure they match your investment goals. Before finalizing, double-check all the information: your limit price, the number of shares, and the total estimated cost. If everything looks correct, simply swipe up to submit your limit order. You can then monitor its status directly within the Robinhood app to see when it gets filled. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.